Hello everyone, welcome back to Lola Emmanuel TV. I hope you guys are keeping safe wherever you are. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I prepare this delicious and yummy egusi soup with spinach. So if you want to know how I prepare this, please keep watching. And I want to say a big thank you to all my subscribers, both new and old. Thank you so much for your amazing support and love. Thank you for always turning in to support me all the time. I really appreciate you all and God bless you all. So, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe. Remember to turn on the notification icon so that you don't miss out any of my videos. To make this soup, these had my ingredients here. I have my smoked turkey, I have my locust beans, which is iru, I have whole egusi for perfect and delicious taste. Please, if you are getting egusi in any store in abroad, get whole egusi, okay? I have smoked prawn, stockfish. Here is cow ear. I prefer using cow ear instead of cow foot. I love this. It's better than cow foot. Nothing to trash, and it has lots of meat as well. I have my onions here, seasoning cubes. I have prawn, grounded one. I don't have crunchy, but I love to use it. I have my scotch bonnets, and I have my bell peppers there. I have red oil. I have salt. I have some other spices to season the meat while boiling it, to boil it. Okay, here is my spinach, fresh cooking spinach. This is the perfect spinach to use to cook your efori or to use for your egusi, not the baby spinach. So I will take all these things and set them aside while I proceed to the next process, which is the seasoning the cow ear in the pot. So I will go ahead and add salt. I will have my seasoning cube. I will have ground ginger powder, garlic ginger powder. I will have thyme. I will have bay leaf, black pepper. I will add my onion paste. You can use chopped onion, but I just want to use my homemade onion paste. Okay. I will stir this together, then I will bring it to boil for about 8 minutes. At this time, I've already soaked my stockfish inside water. Eight minutes later, I've come back to check on this meat on fire, and I will go ahead and add the stockfish to it so that I can boil the stockfish with the meat because it's still hard. Here is my turkey. This is how I normally prepare my smoked turkey. I don't cook it straight. I always parboil it. I always season it with just only one ingredient, which is onion paste or chopped onion. That is it. If you season your turkey this way, you're going to thank me later because you're going to love the amazing flavor the onion will infuse into the smoked turkey, and to also reduce the quantity, the taste of the salt from the turkey. At this stage, this are still cooking but not ready yet, so I will go ahead and wash my spinach. This is how I wash my spinach. I have carefully separate all the wanted one and also Spinach sometimes can contain some grass. Okay, so make sure you always wash your spinach this way before you start cutting it. Do not cut before you wash, but if you prefer that way, that is okay, but this is the best way to wash spinach. It will help you to take out the wanted one and also take out any grass. Yeah, spinach always has grass. Each time I bought it, I always find out any many grass from it, so this is the best way to do it. So I've cut it. Here is my egusi. I've blended everything. Everything is ready now to go into the pot. Everything is ready. It's time to cook. Here is my oil on fire. I'll be using palm oil. If you prefer to use vegetable oil or any other oil, please you can use it, but this is the best oil to cook egusi. I will add my diced onions there together. Then I will go ahead and add my locust beans. Please, this is optional. If you don't like it, please skip it from the ingredients. Keep it out of the ingredients, okay? I will stir together and I add my pepper. I will stir this again, then I will allow it to cook for about 3 to 4 minutes. At this stage, I'll go ahead by adding my seasoning cube. I will add my grounded prawn and salt, my smoked prawn, and we stir together and cover the pot to cook for 5 minutes. Later, I will start by scooping the egusi paste into the stew. And I will cover it to cook for 3 minutes. This is the stuff from the cow ear. I'm just trying to take out all the dirty from it. So 3 minutes later, I have come back to check on the egusi, and now I'll go ahead and stir this together. I don't want this to form many lumps, so I don't really like when egusi has too much lumps. I don't like eating that, so I will stir this very well. Egusi is something you need to keep eyes on when you are cooking it. It's not like stew. If you don't keep eyes on it, your egusi is going to burn. So you need to keep eyes on it and make sure you are stirring it. At this stage, you can see the egusi is looking good. Then I will go ahead and add the stock from the cow ear, and there's some from the turkey that I parboil. Yeah, I love that stock from smoked turkey. It's very, very nice. I love it. I love it rather. I will stir it together and I will cover this again to cook, because I love to cook my egusi very well. Honestly, to make sure I don't perceive the egusi odor. So at this stage, I'm adding my turkey in here. The egusi is perfectly cooked, so I will be adding the turkey and the remaining, the rest of the meat, which is the cow ear and stock fish. You don't want to add your meat too quick or too early to your soup. If you do that, your meat is going to lose the taste. So make sure your egusi is already finished cooking before you start adding the meat, so that the taste of your meat that you boil can remain there. I will just stir this together and cover the pot for about 4 minutes. Later, I have come back to check on my egusi, and it's time for me to taste for salt. At this stage, the salt, everything is perfectly okay. I'll go ahead and add my spinach. You can use any vegetable of your choice. You can use ugu or bitter leaf, but I love using spinach. It's just very easy for me and it's very nice. You see, it's not hard like cooking. I'll just stir this together, but I will allow this to cook for just 1 minute. Just 1 minute, then it's out of the fire. I don't like to cook my spinach for long on fire because I don't want that green color to turn to black or to turn to dark green. So I love to make sure that it's still fresh. And see, this is looking so delicious. I hope you enjoy watching this video so far. I hope you enjoy watching this. If you do, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like it, share this video with anyone you want to share it with. Share with your friends and families. Share it on your social media if you can. Support me more. Oh my goodness, the aroma is everywhere. The aroma, oh my god, my neighbor, they are in trouble. Oh my god, I know one day they will ask me about this my food that always disturb them. Beautiful look. The egusi is so rich, not so much vegetable in it. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you all. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.